Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to send money via bkash. Firstly, you need to dial the code. Start by dialing *247# on your mobile phone. 2. Select Send Money. When the option appears, press 1 to choose the Send the Money feature. Next, input the bkash number you want to send money to. For example, 019151799084. Now all you have to do is to specify the amount you'd like to transfer from 10 TK to 25,000 TK per day. Now type any reference number for tracking because it is optional, but if you want to, do it. And finally, check the details and if correct, enter your PIN to complete the transaction to the other bkash account. After submission, the money is instantly sent and both you and the receiver will receive a confirmation message. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.